Hello friends, welcome back to another Bluebird Art Studios tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to draw a Thanksgiving turkey step by step. Grab your art supplies. Today that's going to be a black sheet of paper and your oil pastels, and we'll get started. We're going to begin by prepping our paper, so take your white pastel and gently color the entire surface of the page. Don't press too hard, you want to create a light, even layer. This will act as our base to help the other colors pop. It doesn't have to be perfect, just make sure it's as even as you can get. Moving on to our outline, we're going to draw a big circle in the center of the paper. This will be the body of our turkey. Then draw a slightly smaller circle on top to create its head. Next, you can add curved lines on either side for the wings. Surrounding the circle, draw 5 big curved lines for the feathers. These should look like a fan spreading out behind the turkey. We're then going to separate each of these feathers with a line. After this, just retrace your lines until they're very visible. Now on the head of the turkey, we're going to add an upside-down rounded triangle for the beak, and then a wavy drop-like shape to the right of the beak for what is called a snood. After this, you can add some details to the wings of the turkey, and then grab your black pastel and make 2 eyes. Moving on to our colors, go ahead and grab your brown pastel and begin outlining and coloring in the body of the turkey. Make sure to avoid going over the beak and the eyes while you do this. After this, we're going to decorate the feathers. So first, take your white pastel and add a second line to the feathers, as I'm doing here. Now you can fill the tops of each feather with brown or another color of your choice. Red, orange, yellow, and brown are perfect for the Thanksgiving theme. Next, do the same for the inner part of each feather. Choose whatever colors you like, but remember to make the inner and outer part of each one different. Also, if you use yellow, it'll be helpful to start with more white as a base layer before adding in the color itself. After this, we're going to color in the face features. I used orange for the beak and red for the snood. Then we can chart out the legs of the turkey before moving on to our background. If you'd like, you can draw some fall leaves around the turkey, maybe a pumpkin or two, or you can take your color of choice and make a solid background. Moving on to our final steps, outline everything with your black pastel crayon to make your drawing pop. Try your best to cover up any white you see popping through in between the colors. Lastly, grab your white pastel and add a highlight to each of the eyes. And that is it. You've created your own oil pastel Thanksgiving turkey. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like and subscribe to Bluebird Art Studios so you don't miss out on any more art lessons. As always, feel free to share the art that you've made today with us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy Thanksgiving, friends!